Okay, now I'm going to show how to change this out from a Saber Staff to the Tonfa Sabers. And this requires something like this. This is just a rubber oven mitt thing I got, and that's going to help me to loosen this part right here. The first thing you can do is take these screws out, and these are the chrome screws that I got, 12-point screws, and set them aside. Alright, these are just 1/4 screws that I've cut down to size. Put them in the Tonfa adapter that I got from TCSS. Use a screwdriver. And I'm using 1/4 so that it can be real tight and hold better. So I'll screw the handle on. So that side's ready. And now let's do this side. I wanted these screws a little short so they wouldn't interfere, but sometimes they can be a little bit too short. It would help to use a bigger screwdriver. There we go. I just have to threaten it with a bigger screwdriver. Alright, so you get the part in there and you want to tighten the screw. Putting the handles on first will actually give you a little bit more leverage for taking the adapter off right here. Alright, so we'll twist, take this one off, and this is the part that's going to be the hardest to come off. I had to make it real tight so that all the parts would line up and it wouldn't come loose. But if you use something like this, it comes in great for loosening it. Alright, so I got this loose. Put the pommel on. There's one Tonfa Saber. And this one is not as bad to come off, as you can see. And just screw the other pommel in. And these pommels are made out of real brass, so they are kind of heavy. But here are your Tonfa Sabers. They do have longer blades. So this is shipping with 2 sets of blades. And I have these set up so that when you wear them on your belt, they will be facing forward on the belt clip on each side. So both of them are facing forward. So there's your Tonfas. And this is the first set of Tonfa Sabers I've made, and I really like them. I think they turned out pretty well. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for looking.